Today I'm going to show you how to download CurseForge on your computer. CurseForge is mainly used to download mods for games like Minecraft, but it also supports many other games. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and create a new tab. Go to Google and search for CurseForge. Usually, the official CurseForge website will be the first result. Go ahead and click it. Once you're on the site, you'll see several supported games right away. You can technically download mods directly from the website and install them manually, but in this video, we're going to download the CurseForge app, which makes everything much easier. Click the orange button that says Get CurseForge app. This will open a new page where you'll see two options, downloading through Overwolf or downloading the standalone version. Personally, I recommend the standalone version, so click Download Standalone. A new file will start downloading to your computer. If you're using Google Chrome, you can click the download icon at the top and open the file directly from there. Or you can go to your computer's Downloads folder where the installer will be saved. Now, double-click the installer you just downloaded. This will open the CurseForge setup. Choose your language, I'll select English, then click Next. Here you can see where CurseForge will be installed on your computer. Make sure to accept the terms of service and confirm that you're over 18, then click Next again. The installation will now begin. Just wait a moment until it finishes and CurseForge will automatically open. Once CurseForge is open, you'll see a list of detected games on the left sidebar. In my case, only Minecraft was found. If you want to add another game, simply click the plus icon and choose either to scan your computer for games or add one manually. Since I only have Minecraft installed, I'll click on Minecraft. Here you'll see a few different tabs. My Mod Packs, where your installed mod packs appear. Discover, where you can find thousands of mods, mod packs, resource packs, and worlds. Browse, where you can filter exactly what you're looking for. For example, using the drop-down menu, you can choose to view only mods or only mod packs. Popular mod packs like All the Mods, Better Minecraft, and Cobblemon will show up here. To install a mod pack, simply click on it and then press Install. CurseForge will start downloading everything automatically. When it's finished, go back to My Mod Packs and you'll see the mod pack you just installed. To play, hover your mouse over it and click Play, and Minecraft will launch with that mod pack ready to go. And that's how you download and use CurseForge. I showed Minecraft as an example, but other supported games work the exact same way. Just add the game in CurseForge, browse the available mods, and install whatever you like. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It really helps a lot.